What's going on, everybody? George here, and today we're going to take a quick look into Palantir and why I think it's a really good company. So, if you don't know already, Palantir is a software company that takes a bunch of data from everywhere and compiles it into one specific location and has their AI really dissect it to find out what all this information really means and how it can benefit their client. Their CEO, Alex Karp, and more notably, their co founder, Peter Thiel, who also co founded PayPal, which helped him bankroll Palantir in the beginning. Their product has found a lot of success in finding terrorists, helping the US government predetermine where minefields were placed, right? So people used to do this by hand, and they put all the data that people were putting on paper into this algorithm to predetermine where mines are to save countless lives and to help speed up the process. Not only that, they are working directly with US intelligence agencies right now. So, other than just being with the government, working directly with the government, who also spends roughly $90 billion annually on cybersecurity, they've also partnered with more notable companies such as IBM, PG&E, and BP for multi-million dollar deals for the foreseeable future. What they plan to do for these companies is integrate their systems with these companies and collect their data and have their AI help deduce how they can further their business assets and how they can further enhance their business by either making deductions, doing things more efficiency, etc. So they have a lot of things planned. At this point, Palantir is basically a consulting company that takes your data, feeds it to AI, takes your money, and the AI tells you what to do to make your company better. So cool. They're a really neat AI software tech company. Why invest in them? Well, Goldman Sachs recently just upped their price per share from $13 on a marked price to $34. Goldman Sachs just upped their price, which is a very notable gain because Goldman Sachs is a very well known investment banking company. I think, if not the biggest in the world. For reference, right now, their stock is trading at around $22, $23. That is a deal, guys. Don't take my word for it. Cathie Wood of ARK just invested $2.6 million worth of Palantir shares on Wednesday. She bought that dip so fast I couldn't even make a video about it. For those that don't know who Cathie Wood is or ARK Invest, they are a really big ETF on tech. And not just tech that is good for the short term, tech that is good for the long term, foreseeable future. She also invested in Tesla when everybody was like,
Tesla, they don't make no money. Bad company. Don't invest in Tesla. They're only worth like $200.
have you guys seen Tesla lately? It's killing it. Even in this big dip, it's still killing it, right? So I think at least knowing Kathy has around 10 million shares in total of Palantir puts my mind at ease. And with the way the market's going, everything's Walmart style sale, right? There's a fire sale over here, fire sale over there. Palantir's a fire sale, CCIV's a fire sale, Tesla's free basically. There's so many good options to get in at a great level. So, what am I doing with Palantir right now? Well, I am holding. I am holding for the foreseeable future. I am buying whenever I see a great dip. Today was a great dip. Yesterday was a great dip where I bought more and it bounced right back up. But I got at a great price, right? Anything below $30 right now is a great price. Anything below $25 is a steal, guys. And remember, the best time to buy is when things aren't going well. You wanna start that side hustle now so you can buy when things are red because when things are going good, they just keep going good and you never know where to buy. So when you buy at the floor, all there is room to go up to the sky, to jump on that rocket ship, to fly all the way up, right? Now, don't buy everything all at once. Always, at least in my experience, cost your way in. Dollar cost your way in, which means you just buy small increments at a time. Don't put 100% of your capital into one buy. Buy a little bit here, buy a little bit there, buy a little bit over there, and eventually you'll average a price that's better than just generally putting all your money in one lump sum. But remember, do not invest what you can't afford to lose. At the end of the day, I'm just some random guy on YouTube. Don't take my word for financial advice. I'm just spouting whatever makes sense in my head. So do your own research. Thank you guys for watching. And if you guys have any other topics for me to talk about, let me know in the comments below. If not, I will see you guys next time.